Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Today we're going to be doing another installment of Canteen Cup cooking. This is my Pathfinder Canteen Cup. So what I'm going to be making today is Thai chicken curry. Or Thai curry chicken, excuse me. If I get a close up with the other camera. And then I have a can of white and dark chicken meat. So I'm basically just going to pour the two into the canteen, heat it up, and I'm actually cooking a video. If you missed it, I'm doing a video on cooking jasmine rice in a canteen cup, so that will be linked below if you don't see it. So I'm going to do separate videos. So with this, it says cook it in the skillet. I don't see why you can't do it in the pan. So put oil in, put chicken in, brown, stir in sauce, cook 5 minutes. That's all it takes. So really we're just heating up whatever's in here. 420 milligrams of sodium. So if you're trying to cut sodium, maybe it's not the best for you. Very low carbohydrates though. So sweet. And there's a gram of dietary fiber, which reduces the 8 grams of carbs down to only 7. If you're counting that kind of stuff. 70 calories per, so it's 5 servings per package at 1/4 of a cup, and each one is 70 calories, so 70 times 5, so 350 calories for the whole package. That's not bad, really. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to eat that whole thing. I'm actually really hungry. It's 1:40 right now, and I haven't had lunch yet. I usually have lunch around 11, so yeah, I'm pretty hungry. So we're gonna get this going. I gotta wait for the rice first, but that won't matter because of video editing. It'll just be a simple swipe. Alright, just in case I forgot to show you what the package is, Campbell's Sauces Skillet Thai Curry Chicken. Just add chicken. It was 11 ounces. Alrighty, let's get the backpacker grill on. Nice. Package open. And a smell. Smells pretty good. I might have to move this grill because it's not like I have to fry it, I just have to heat it up. So if I was cooking something like raw chicken, then I could see having it that hot, but I just want a place to set it so the heat can touch it. It won't get too hot. I gotta open my chicken, which I will do off camera because you've seen me open cans before. Let's get rid of a little bit of the extra water. Just a bit. that's hot, I can eat. Go ahead and borrow the canteen cup. Lid. Come on. Finger got stuck in the butterfly hole. Go. It's that hot I can eat. By the way, I hate that this thing is tilting. It's not hot yet. It tastes pretty good though. Tastes like there's some spice in there too. Sweet. Alright, let's pull off the main. Curry a check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. That's how she looks. It smells really good. I made some rice to go with it. Check the video description below for the link. Oh yeah, it's hot enough for sure. Whew. Alright, let's do this. Alright, let's give this stuff a taste. Some rice. Oh, you know what I don't have, what would have been really good, is naan bread. Cause I could have put it in some foil and just heat it up, so. All right. Oh, hot. I went and Fernbarked it. Actually pretty tasty. I thought the rice was going to need a little bit of salt, but there was plenty of sodium in the mix that I didn't even need it. Which I still have a little bit of sauce left over. Naan bread would have been really good. What if I could do naan bread in a pan like I do my bannock? That might be really good. Mm. Oh man. Yeah, that's a win right there. I'm actually really liking this. It's got a little heat too, but it's not so crazy. But I like a little bit of spice. So if you don't like spice at all, you probably will be dying, but I think it's good. That's the way it is. Pour the rest of the sauce in here. Just a little bit. Man, I made another full Canteen cup full of food. I'm glad I only made the one serving of rice versus a full 2 cup. Because I don't think it would have fit, but 2, I think 1 cup of raw rice with this, maybe in a little bit bigger vessel, I think would have been good for 2 people. So, fortunately, I'm actually pretty hungry, so excuse me. It sure holds the temperature well. Whew. Well, I'm enjoying my lunch and, well, my late lunch. And I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Excuse me.